Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Today we are going to perform another experiment, that is your detection of the rancidity in a edible oil or a ghee. If we take a edible oil, then we take it directly, but if we take a ghee, then first of all we have to melt it, then we take a sample. So for performing this experiment, we required a two chemical. One is your concentrated HCl and another one is your 0.1% of the fluoroglycinol in diethyl ether solution. Okay. So first of all, the first chemical that we are going to handle is a concentrated HCl. So we have to handle it very carefully because this concentrated HCl are what they are corrosive in nature. If it come in contact with your eyes or your skin, then it will damage your eyes and skin. If it is absorbed by your skin, then it will cause a irritation and also burn your skin. And if you inhale the vapors of this concentrated HCl, then it will damage your respiratory tract, and if it transfer into your digestive tract, then it will digest, it will affect your digestive tract, also cause a irritation inside the respiratory and the digestive tract. Okay, so the second chemical, that is your 0.1 gram of the fluoroglycinol. How we prepare it? We take a 0.1, sorry, we take a 100 milligram of this fluoroglycinol and dissolve into a 100 ml of the diethyl ether. That's how we prepare it. Now, this setup is required. We required a test tube, we required a sample, we required a micropipette of 1000 microliter or 1 ml. Okay, then we required a micropipette tip. So for performing this experiment, what we have to do, simply we take a 3 ml of a sample in a test tube. Then we have to add a 3 ml of the concentrated concentrated HCl into it and mix it properly. Then we have to add a 3 ml of 0.1% of the fluoroglycinol in diethyl ether and we shake it for a 2 minutes. After that, we kept it into a test tube stand and examined the result after 1.5 hours. If a pink or a red color are appear, then it indicates that the rancidity are present in our oil. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to take a sample. We require 3 ml sample in a test tube. One, two, three. Okay. Then after that, we have to take a 3 ml of the concentrated sulfuric acid. Sorry, concentrated HCl, not sulfuric acid. We have to avoid the vapor inhalation. One, two, three. Now mix it properly. When you are mixing it, you have to take a extra care because the concentrated HCl are present in your test tube. So you have to mix it very carefully. Then after that, you have to add a 3 ml of your reagent. 1, 2, 3. Now shake it, and we have to shake it for a 2 minutes, and we have to kept it for a half an hour. So we will see the result after half an hour. After half an hour, we see the result. There is no development of the pink color, which indicate that our edible oil are not rancid. Okay. So here this is about the detection of the rancidity into a edible oil. You can perform same procedure with a ghee, but you have to melt the ghee first. So this is all about the today's experiment. I hope you will understand. But if you have any query related to this experiment, you can freely to ask me in a comment box, or for a further detail, you can follow the ITLS Academy on different platforms, that is Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp and LinkedIn, and subscribe our channel ITLS Academy on YouTube and get our app from a Google Play. You can also visit our website, that is www.itlsacademy.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.